जो आ रहे हैं ये बताना। So, good afternoon, guys. We will wait for and then we will start because we want more people to join. And those who are able to hear my voice, please give a thumbs up so that I will get confirmation that you are able to listen my voice. कितने लोग हो गए?
55,
55?
70.
55. So, me to start, give a thumbs up and then I will start. So, good afternoon, guys. Today, this is Chef Anshu Bhatia live from Qatar, and hope you guys are safe. आप सब ठीक होंगे और मैं first of all I want to thank to Amul, those who gave me the opportunity to come back again and show you guys very easy recipe, not much to think, बहुत आसान है, बहुत easy है, and I want to thank Amul that they are doing a great job to find out the hidden chefs from their house, and many congratulations to them. So today we are going to make a very simple recipe which is my favorite and also my colleagues favorite. And first of all I want to say thanks to Chef Rohit who is handling the camera for me today. And so the shake name is Performance Shake. So नाम है जैसे High Performance Shake. So this will give you a nice energy boost. आपको बहुत सारी एनर्जी देगा to do some special activities, special activities. So if you know what I mean. So let's start with the ingredients. What all we have. So we need milk, obviously. We need dates. We need peanut butter. Dates have a history of 50 million years old, and it is first fruit cultivated by any human being. So it's first cultivated in Greece. This is peanut butter. This is homemade peanut butter. It's very easy to make. Take your blender, roast your peanut, put some oil and blend it smoothly, and then put some salt. If you can put jaggery, brown sugar, anything to sweeten it up, or you can just fine with the salt. This is milk. Milk is like first drink which is back Central European people started drinking it. Thanks to Amul for bringing it in India. And we have ice cream. Ice cream was first made by Chinese people. So it was made by flour, milk and also the camphor. जो कपूर होता है ना, आप लोगों को सुन के हैरानी होगी कि पहली दुनिया की जो पहली आइसक्रीम थी उसमें कपूर था जो हम अपनी पूजा करने के टाइम पे यूज करते हैं. बनाना, थैंक्स टू अलेक्जेंडर द ग्रेट और उसकी आर्मी को, वो इंडिया आए और उन्होंने पहला क्रॉप बनाया बनाना का. और these are the items for garnish: coffee, caramelized banana, dates, honey, and this I will use to sieve the coffee over the cup. So let's start with the recipe. So first of all we will start by peeling the banana, and you can just break it. Keep your hands clean. Usually I want to make a thick shake, so I will take around 4 to 5 bananas for half a liter of milk because I want my garnish to float over the shake. In between, if you have, you can drop down in the comments so that I will get to know. The recipe name is High Performance Shake. So usually whenever we are hungry in our restaurant, so me and my colleagues make this so that we will stay full for a long time. And now I will put my dates. This is 3 dates. This is Mazdul dates. These are the premium quality of dates you will find. You can use any dates which you have. Khudri, Safavi. This is around 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. I will make it more because later on I want to drink it with my friends. So I will show you guys. And I will pour down my milk. I kept it freeze little bit because I want the I want the shape to be thick. So you can also freeze it. You can freeze even your as well. So I will just give it a nice mix. Then I will ice to give a If you have any questions, please you can ask me. Everything is fine. I'm sorry there was a little network issue. So yeah, we are back. If you have any questions, please ask me. This is High Performance Shake. We are making an ultimate energy booster. It will keep you full for a long time and it will give you an ultimate energy to do a great activity, to stay active whole time. So as you can see, our shake is ready. I will just show you the consistency, how thick it is. You can adjust the consistency according to your preference. I like it this way. You can make it thin, you can make it more thick even. And the ingredients are very simple. Dates, peanut butter, banana and your ice cream and milk. That's it. So we will take 2 nice glasses. I just kept it in the freezer so that remember, hot food in warm plate or warm glass. If you are making any hot drink, keep the cup or glass warm. If you are making any cold drink or any drink which have a certain cold temperature, please chill your glass so that you will get the optimum experience. आपको जो experience एक अलग ही level में पहुंच जाएगा. तो just हम लोग इसको उतारेंगे. मैं जस्ट एक बार टेस्ट कर लूं. ओह, lovely. The taste of this is awesome and I would definitely recommend you all to try this one at your home. So we will now just pour it in our glass. And until I am pouring the shake, please go and subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is A Lusty Chef. A space LUSTY space CHEF. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can also follow me on Instagram by the same name, A space LUSTY space Chef. A Lusty Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube and please subscribe to my follow to my Instagram. So
शेफ, ये सूरज पूछ रहे हैं कि रेसिपी क्या है, कुछ आप बता सकते हैं डिटेल?
The recipe is very simple. Just take few dates, drop it in the blender, put your ice cream, put your banana, put your milk, put your dates. You can put avocado as well. You can put strawberry as well. You can put anything which you have. And I must say, any fruit go with, you can even put banana and watermelon. You can just skip the dates. You can put banana and watermelon, add curd, you can make a nice smoothie. So now just I will take my spoon. I will show you two kinds of plating. For this, two kinds of garnishes. First I will take some dates. See, I made it thick so it will stay in the top. And you can put some caramelized banana. Caramelized banana will give it a nice, nutty texture, a good taste. It will increase the level of the cake. So this is our one style. Again, I am repeating the recipe. Dates, banana, peanut butter, milk, ice cream. Blend it, put it, garnish it with anything. Chocolate, steaks, you can put dark chocolate, grate just dark chocolate. You can put cocoa powder, you can put coffee powder. You can put anything what you want, whatever you have, or just take the glass and drink like this. What I will prefer, I cannot resist myself. मैं अपने आप को रोक नहीं पा रहा हूँ. मैं तो सोच रहा हूँ कि मैं इसको उठा के ऐसे पी लूँ.
शेफ, ये रितु पूछ रही है, ये कैरमलाइज बनाना होता क्या है?
कैरमलाइज बनाना, कैरमलाइजेशन इज अ प्रोसेस जिसमें आपको शुगर को ब्राउनिंग करते हैं. आपकी शुगर आपको कलर देता है और आपको एक फ्लेवर देता है. शुगर बर्न होता है, फ्लेवर. तो आप कोई भी फ्रूट लो, उसके ऊपर शुगर डालो, थोड़ा सा सिनेमन पाउडर डालो. मेरे पास था नहीं, आई एम सॉरी, आई एम वेरी ऑनेस्ट. व्हाट आई पुट आई विल टेल. सो सिनेमन पाउडर डाल सकते हो आप एंड में. तो जस्ट मान लो एप्पल है, बनाना, anything you are caramelizing, just toss it with sugar and put some butter. Please, you can follow me on Instagram, space Lusty, LUSTY Lusty space chef, or follow on my YouTube, subscribe with the same name. And second plating is, I will drop some vanilla ice cream, some more, and later on I am going to eat this one.
Aja.
So I am very sorry, this network is giving me trouble again and again. We are not moving forward. We are still doing the same thing. Now I pour the ice cream in this, and the remaining ice cream I am going to eat. Sorry for that, you guys are not able to join me. So you guys can just take little bit of coffee powder and just you can spread it, and this is honey. I am very sorry. The network ने मेरे को धोखा दे दिया. And yeah, just I want to say that please try this recipe. Hope you guys are still here. Still, accompanying me, still giving me company. So I am very sorry, this network is giving me ditch always, but I tried my best and hope you guys learned how to make this. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel, A Lusty Chef, space LUSTY space CHEF. And I am very sorry for the network. And you can also follow me on Instagram. Please follow me on Instagram so that you can ask any questions anytime. And I will see you next time. Please stay safe. Any question, please?
शेफ एक रिकैप दे सकते हैं?
Recap is simple. Just take a blender, put dates, put banana, put peanut butter, put milk, put vanilla ice cream, put dates, and put your milk. All 5 ingredients: milk, banana, dates, ice cream, and peanut butter. Put in a blender, give a nice mix, and then you can garnish it with like this or this or.
Any specific reason, शेफ, कॉफी डालने के पीछे?
I like it coffee because coffee क्या है तो ये shake is giving you such a energy. Plus coffee will give you a nice consciousness. अगर आप जिम जाने के पहले ये जरा सा कॉफी डाल के अगर आप पी रहे हो या आप नॉर्मली भी कॉफी डाल के पी रहे हो तो आपको एक सडन कॉन्शियसनेस देता है, वो आपको ज्यादा देर तक एनर्जी देता है, कॉफी ज्यादा देर तक जाग के रखता है. So that's why I like coffee. You can put caramelized banana, chocolate stick, cocoa powder, anything. And if you have any more questions, please you can ask me. So I will take a leave if you don't have any question. This is high performance shake. Hope you guys learned it properly. If you didn't learn this, you can follow me on Instagram, space LUSTY space chef, and you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, A Lusty Chef. And please make this recipe. Don't forget to tag me on Instagram. My name is Anshul Bhatia, and I will see you on the next video very soon. And please try this recipe and don't forget to tag me. And please stay safe, stay at home, take care of yourself and your family. And also follow the guidelines of the government. And I will see you on the next one. I will see you until you guys want to see me. Take care, and I am signing off. This is Chef Anshul Bhatia from Qatar. Take care.